today we're gonna unbox this smartphone, and it's very nice. It has very nice system, and let's see what does it has. Oh wow!
It has songs.
Yeah,
It has stories.
Wow, it's so
Night
nice.
Night songs.
On off.
I think we can slap
Font
the face.
size.
I think we
Wow.
can slap the face with this.
Okay, so
So
let's
let's
unbox
open
it. So they're saying here not for children under 3 years. So please don't take it if they're 3 years.
Because I'm a parent. I'm gonna play this. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's so nice. Because clear.
Okay, let's open this. Okay. Wow, that's nice.
Ouch! Please don't hit my face, little guy.
Let's do a
The
story.
farmer and the snake. One day, a farmer is going to work.
A young mouse.
I saw a cat and a cocky monkey.
It's very nice.
Please don't hit my face, little guy. I'm going to faint.
Wow, and that's very nice. It says Samsung, but it's not. It's a good tablet.
Okay, there's light as well.
Yeah, I really like the light and the song. That's my favorite thing in this iPad or tablet, whatever.
I'm smelling. Who is flirting?
And it's very nice. Look at this, guys. Now it's not doing anything.
Ouch!
It's open it now. Close it.
Ouch!
Now it's working. And look at this.
What is this? This is a drum.
Yeah.
Oh, what's the sleep song?
Sleep.
Oh.
It's so peaceful.
This is my favorite. Oh, actually, this is my favorite. I forgot. I think this is from Doraemon.
And it's very nice.
Some of them are sad songs in the sleep.
And some of them are scary songs. So guys, this is the tablet and I really like it. So please subscribe to my channel. Please give me a thumbs up. And it's very nice. Please, I recommend it. Please buy this. This is so amazing. So nice.
Now let's pack
And bye bye.
Let's pack it.